So hello and welcome back, and today I want to show you how to remove the handrest on this Ford Puma 2021. I believe this car is, not 100% sure. So if you don't know how to remove all of these, I will put the link in the description. So but basically you have to remove all of this to get to the parts that you need to take out. So basically here I see that's a 7, I believe, and another 7, and there should be over here should be 10 or something like that on this side and on the other side. So, and here you need to take this out. You need to take this out. So, and here you can see it's on 10, I believe. Yeah, so this side and on other side, let me show you other side. So the other side goes as well. You just click it from up, so like this, because it has here this from up and down. So those two tens I believe from the back side. Let me show you. So this here, this one should be as well from the front. Yeah, no, this torques. So this torques here, and on the other side is another one. So let's unclip those two. Let's take these 10s out and these 7s, and then we continue with the rest. Another one that you can take out even before you start anything else is this one over here, and I believe it's best way somewhere from this side, like this. So I believe it's best way somewhere here, but yeah, so I don't know if you're gonna see it here. Here is the clicky part. So you take that out, this ladder goes around here, and then you have access to the rest. As you can see here is the airbag module. Somebody did ask me about that one. So yeah, I'm gonna unscrew these so you don't take that much time. So let me unscrew it and then we continue with the rest. So basically when you unscrew this one and all of those and those two on the back, so it should be like just pull it out. Yeah, so pull it out. If there is some wires, they should be here. The connector should be over here somewhere. So let me check. Yeah, so the connector is over here. That should not be any problem. We have like two connectors, so one bigger one and one for the USB. So I want to take those out and then I show you. So two connectors, one is the bigger one, this one, and one is for the USB. So this one just need to click it from this side, pull it out. Let me check if there is something on this side. No, this side is empty, and anything holding it right now? I don't think so. Yeah, so basically you just pull it out, and so basically you pull it out. So these two wirings, these you disconnect when you remove most of the stuff. So yeah, that's about that. Let's see from inside. There should be somewhere a module for probably somewhere here in the back for the key. So, but yeah, that's basically that. As you can see here inside, I do like this red stitching on this one. It's a little bit dirty, but it's all in good shape. So yeah, SL line stitching and stuff like that. So here you have the module for the airbags. So this one, just click here, click there. Should not be really that much of a problem to clip it out. So that's one, that's another one. So yeah, bigger. And then you put this one over here, so you can get to the screws. And I believe these are 10s, maybe 10s, let's see. So yes, these are 10s, but you might need a longer one, because let me show you. Let me try to show you. So see, the short one is kinda short, but it's possible to take it out even with the short one. So these two are not that big a problem, but this third one, it's kinda, the handbrake is kinda in the middle of axis, so it's kinda hard. It's kinda hard to get to it. So, but yeah, with little ratchet, it's not a big deal. These screws are kinda hard to. They are kinda hard to unscrew, but yeah. So basically here you have the restraint control module, and yeah, that's about that for the handrest and the airbag module. So that's about that. What I have left here is the dashboard. This one went off, but still I can show you on this one how to take it out, especially if you have this problem. So yeah, stay tuned for this video. I believe, yeah, now we can access the airbag dashboard all together. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and I hope I can see you in next one. So till next one, see ya.